So what we have here is a window regulator that we've actually addressed once before. I'm pretty sure this is a 355, but don't take my word for that. A Ferrari. Definitely Ferrari window regulator. Now this is a cable operated window regulator, and the glass attaches to this plate and to this place, and they go up and down totally parallel. We've got it mocked up here with a couple of pieces of wood and a little restrainer here to try and make it look as though it were mounted in the window. The problem that it had the first time is that the spool, which both takes up the cable and draws it in and spits it out the other side after wrapping around there, the push on this original equipment cable actually kinks. And the reason for that is that there's not a constant tension on the cable coming out of both sides. As a matter of fact, originally it had these little spring shock absorbers on where you now see a bronze sleeve. Now we tried it many times. Well, what happens when it gets to one end is the spring collapses completely, and on the other end it allows the tube that the white tube which travels in and out of this black section here, it allows it to come out so far that it's just dangling. Well, we tried many different ways to try and eliminate that additional slop, and we finally decided on splitting a piece of rubber tubing, and this is high pressure fuel injection, so it has a good compressibility. And then we snapped it in place and slipped this bronze tube over it on either end. Now there's no more crush on either end here when it reaches one end. Now, we think that that is proper. We've also taken, as I said before, this cable, which was a softer cable, and we've replaced it with this much more rigid cable, which will not have a tendency to jump the spool when it's being pushed, as this one did. Okay, so now...
real quick, if you look, you can see the white tube sticking into the sleeve here on both sides about the same amount.
Right.
And that's critical.
Yeah, good. Thank you, Matt. All right, so now we're going to operate the window regulator. We have a 12-volt battery here. It is a polarity reversing motor. There's also a... we've got it off right now. That's good.
Yeah,
There's also a micro switch which limits the travel, turns off the motor when it gets up to place. So you'll see that light coming on as it goes down.
Right now.
There we go.
It's on, and you can go all the way to the bottom, and it stops.
And it's hit the rubber stops. So we know it's all the way at the bottom, okay? And then go up until the light. And there it is. The light went off, indicating that it has denied power to the motor, and we are all the way up. As well, we verified that when both of these come down, they hit the bump stops here at within an angstrom, the same side. So we know that the cable lengths are correct, which was a problem in the past. So Ferrari made several mistakes. They used compression springs here, where we now have them, well, as rigid as compressing a piece of fuel injection hose is. And that gives a little bit of padding. And as well, of course, they used a cable that was not strong in push. So everything seems to be working fine now. Thank you for your attention.